Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to share your location on your iPhone. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up the Find My app. It looks something like this. You can also find it by just looking it up in the app library. Find My, there it is. So let's open it up, and now we're gonna go to the People section, and then we're going to press Start Sharing Location. And this is where you select who you want to share the location with. So you can press this plus icon and select the contact that you want to share your location with. So just select the contact and press Share My Location. You can select how long you want to share it for. So you can select Share Indefinitely. And now your location is shared with that person. They can do the same thing for you, where you can request location, and they will, if they accept it, you will also see their location. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.